This is the BMW Accessories Digital Rearview Mirror for the BMW 7 Series. It allows you to see behind your vehicle via the camera installed in the rear window, even while using the theater screen or the rear shade. Here's how it works. It looks and acts like a classic rear view mirror. To switch to the camera view, pull the lever towards you. You can easily view the traffic behind you while driving or parking without needing to fold up the theater screen. Let's set up the mirror to your needs using these three buttons on the right-hand side of the mirror. Pressing the left button, marked with the setup symbol, opens the main menu for display brightness, sway, tilt, and rotation of the display. Scroll down in the menu via the left button again and confirm via the middle button. In the corresponding menu, here for example the picture rotation, the middle button rotates the image counterclockwise and the right button rotates the mirror clockwise. The position is indicated by the slider. Confirm via the left button and leave the menu via the right button again. Done! As a side note, the buttons on the left side can be used for HomeLink car-to-home automations. Enjoy hassle-free vision and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?